Hi, thanks for tuning in. Hi, I'm Ambarish, a Mumbai-based Microsoft certified professional, and this video is about the Sparklines feature available since Excel 2010. I've been given a sales data here, and I've been asked to create a sparkline in column H, which is the next column. I've got data of 6 months and 8 products. So let's first select the required range in the column H, and then go to the Insert tab. And then within the Sparklines group, I've got line Sparkline as the first option. So let's try that. Click on line, and then it asks for a data range. Now, I will not simply select the entire table here. I will only select the sales figures, the numerical portion here, right? Not the column headers and not the very first column. So I go to 223, which is B2, and then Control Shift arrow right, Control Shift arrow down. That's it. I can click on OK, or I can hit enter, and I'm done. I've got this spark lines assigned for every product, displaying the performance of each month. Now, can I also highlight my high point and low point? Of course, yes. I can go to the marker color and I can select high point, and maybe I can assign a green color to the high point. Similarly, I can also go to the marker color and select low point and maybe choose a red highlight for the low point. So I've got my spark lines there. Let's see what more do we have. So I select the next column now, the I column. Again, go to the Insert tab. Let's choose the column sparkline this time. Again, the data range would be, keep your mouse on B2 and then Control Shift arrow right, Control Shift arrow down, just the sales figures. Hit enter or OK. And there you go. This time I've got column sparklines. And similarly, you can also work on the other one, which is the win-loss sparkline. So when I go to the win-loss and select my entire data, it's got a downward pointing red column here because there is a negative figure here. So this last one works really well when you've got negative figures as well. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Have a great one.